welcome back. Today was day 27 of 100 days of making a webcomic. Over a quarter of the way in now. So far, so good. I know I've stated this before, but this challenge is actually surprisingly, I don't want to say easy, but I don't know. I'm sort of blazing through my comic right now, and I'm starting to look forward to actually working on my comic from day to day. And because of just the nature of this chapter in general, I'm not really going to be stuck drawing the same environments for too long. I'll be switching, I guess, the different backgrounds in the comic quite frequently in this chapter. Well, there's going to be one period of time where it's going to stick for a while, but even then it'll switch quite a bit. And right now I'm about to do another environmental switch. So I won't be painting this weird ass background with the tour bus for much longer. Thank God. Before I go any further, I need to address this too. I have no idea what's been going on with my YouTube videos where I upload them and YouTube is blocking to well, I think I do have an idea, but this is still ridiculous that this would be happening. YouTube is blocking any comments or the number of likes or dislikes being shown on the video for whatever reason. Now, I will state in YouTube's defense, I did have it after the whole copper thing 2 years ago. I switched it so that I had to approve on each video whether or not that video could allow comments or likes. But I automatically, every time I upload a video, I make sure to check that off. So what I was thinking at first was that when my YouTube videos would get uploaded, I wasn't checking it, so it was blocking people from being able to comment on the videos, and I would go back and change it. But what I started to sort of notice was I was going back and changing it multiple times for the same video. It's like YouTube's just it's not doing any of my changes at this point. And I started to notice when I uploaded it that the comments were still blocked. Like directly after I uploaded it, they're still blocked for whatever reason, even though I unchecked it. Or I did check it. So I just switched the default on my videos to just allow comments and likes and see if that makes a difference. So far, so good. So hopefully there won't be long periods of time where no one can make a comment on a video. I hope. Just been a weird couple weeks with YouTube for whatever reason, but anyways, now that that's out the way, this particular page that I drew for today, or painted, whatever, this was a rather simple one because I pretty much used the same set of colors for the entire page. Meta was pretty much in like 90% of this page, and because yellow, green, and white are pretty much the only colors I'm having to use for him, it was a pretty straightforward and simple painting. The little sort of details in like his mask or doing Genie Nizu's sort of weird shading was probably the only remotely difficult parts of this page. This was a really simple page to get done for the day. And I got this one done at almost exactly an hour in, so that wasn't bad. I don't imagine it's going to stay that simple for much longer, but who knows. But anyways, all my talking about painting Meta might not last much longer anyways, because I don't think he's going to be seen for the majority of the rest of the comic anyways. So it's pretty much about to almost exclusively be the Dan and Raekwon show. So I'm going to be drawing them a lot. I hope I don't get tired of drawing them. Hopefully I won't. I'm praying that I don't. But we'll see. All that in due time. One thing I actually really need to do though, and I know I've been talking about this for days, is to start updating my webtoons. I'm closing in on about 3 months of a buffer at this point. Matter of fact, less than that. I think a little over 2. Because I think I have a 9-week buffer at this point, and that's considering I get more uploads in the can by Thursday. Otherwise, it's going to be 8 weeks, so I have a 2-month buffer. Because I think I'm all the way through to late September. but I have so many pages done ahead of time, especially with me working all the way into chapter 5. Like, chapter 4 is just beginning on Thursday. I believe so. It may be next week. I'm not sure. I got to go back and check my latest Webtoon Tapas update. But I gotta start getting that buffer straight, so I'll probably be doing that or start doing that before the night's over. So there's always some work to do with this comic even after I get the actual pages done. It's just the way it is. But in any event, that's pretty much all there was for today. Like I said, it wasn't a real crazy or extravagant page that I needed to get done in today's case. We're still at the introductory portion of the chapter, so there's not really going to be a lot going on in terms of the story, and probably nothing really crazy for me to draw for quite a while. As far as what I have to draw, it won't really start getting crazy until the characters are actually shown on the tour bus. That's when things are going to start getting kind of weird. But I still should be a couple of days away from that. At least I think. I might need to check my thumbnails for that. But in any event, that's all for today. Let me know what you think. Leave a like. And you all have a good one. And I'm out.